baby. Big Miss Cat, can you help me watch? This baby seems to enjoy a spooky atmosphere. Let's use this piece.
Hey baby, stop crying.
This little mouse can babysit. Stay in your crib. Can you help me? Only take two, no more. Play here and don't go anywhere, all right? The more, the merrier.